The second target was the 4,000-plus meter Toubkal in the Atlas Mountains found in very far-off North African Morocco. Simply getting to the mountain would be an exhausting task in its own right.
The trail grew steeper as we slowly gained altitude. I was paying the price for our quick travel from sea level to the mountain refuge at 3,200 meters or 10,500 feet. The normal maximum altitude gained is 1,000 meters per day. We had tripled that value, and I was paying the price.
How's your brain feeling?
Tired.
Refuge is a little bit too pricey for our budget.
It was hell sleeping out last night. The wind changed direction and the temperature dropped dramatically. The lack of sleep compounded my altitude issues. I was weak and miserable. Seth kept pushing me on. The roles were reversing. I was determined not to be left behind. If I quit, the guide would turn us back. I had to keep going for Seth's sake, and because Seth had never beaten me, and I was stubborn enough to make him work for it.
Probably 3,800. It's only like 200 meters to the summit.
The worse I felt, the more his spirits seemed to rise. The boy was seeing his father failing for the first time in his life. He was discovering his strength. As we approached the summit, Seth picked up his pace. He was feeling cocky and on top of the world. I, on the other hand, couldn't stay on my feet. I was whooped. My energy level was zero. Seth had beaten me for the first time in his life, and he was enjoying the moment. At the summit, we were breathing air at 58% of the oxygen volume of the previous day.
How you feeling? Do we need to get a helicopter to bring you down?
I needed to take a nap.